I was literally buying this and eating them every single day, but I didn't realize I was actually doing it all wrong. So this year, 2026, I decided I'm going to be more intentional with what I'm adding to my diet, and I'm definitely carrying you guys along with me so we can all eat and be healthy as women and grown up adults. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you're actually in the right place. Stick around. One love and I breathe. Hey Vibers, if you're new here, my name is Onyechukulusi Bezimako. I'm a Nigerian content creator based in Abuja. And over here, we share simple lifestyle, market vlogs, food storage hacks and tips, healthy living, and motherhood tips that are actually realistic. Honestly, I'm not doing anything extreme. I just want something that I can actually stick with every single day. So today, I'm sharing nuts and seeds that I'm adding into my diet in 2026 and why they are actually so good for you. So let's go. The first one we have pumpkin seed. This is packed with magnesium, zinc, iron, protein, healthy fat, and lots of antioxidants, which are great for healthy bone, muscles, improves your heart function, boosts your immune system, and skin health. Next, we have black and white sesame seed, which are great in magnesium, iron, copper. Sesame seed is also rich in healthy fats, fiber, protein, and lots of calcium, which is very essential for your bones, especially if you have an elderly parent or you're a woman who has given birth. You really need calcium to boost your bone health and muscles. Another thing sesame seed is great for is copper, which helps with our skin collagen production. This is very good for you also. Next, we have the sunflower seed, which is great and has a lot of vitamin E, magnesium, healthy fats, fiber. It also has lots of selenium. Now, selenium is what helps protect our cells from oxidative stress. It's going to boost your skin health, making your skin look very radiant and beautiful. Next, we have our flax seeds. This is small but mighty, and every woman, everyone needs this. Now, this is highly rich in omega-3 fatty acid, has lots of lignans, fiber, protein. Omega-3 is great for your heart and brain health. Fiber helps with digestion and lowers cholesterol, while the lignans help balances hormones and reduce stress. Then we have macadamia nuts. This is my favorite nut. It is very sweet, very nutty. I really love it. Now, this is packed with lots of monosaturated fats, thiamine, fiber, magnesium, and all of that, which is great for your heart brain function and also boost your energy production. Next, we have our almighty chia seed, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, fiber, protein, magnesium, and lots of antioxidants. Now, this is going to protect yourself from damage, boost your energy, support heart and brain health, and also help with digestion and constipation. Next, we have our almond nuts. I'm sure everyone knows and eats this one a whole lot. Almond nut is rich in vitamin E, which helps support your skin health, give you that glowy and beautiful skin that we all want. Then we have our pecans, which is also rich in monosaturated fats, protein, fiber, magnesium. Now, this is going to protect your brain health. It's also going to help you reduce all-round body inflammation. Next, we have our walnut. This one is a must because it is so good for your body health. Walnut is going to reduce your inflammation, boost your energy, and improve metabolism. Last but not the least, we have hazelnut, which is great for your skin and cell protection. Lastly, we have raisins. This is a natural sugar. It helps support heart and muscle function, aids digestion, and supports healthy blood. And these are all the nuts and seeds that I'm going to be adding into my diet in 2026. Nothing complicated, very simple choices that we can stick to every single day. If you found this video helpful, save this video, share it, and follow me so you don't miss simple lifestyle and healthy food ideas. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I incorporate this nuts and seeds into my diet. You don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching and see you on my next one.